Third phase of moon.
Third phase moon, Blake Cousins. Welcome back, everybody from around the world. We've got UFO sightings coming in, along with a mystery right here in my backyard. Mysterious footprints found in a lava field. Where did the community go? It's over 100-year-old mystery, and we're going to find out. But let's get to the new video that has just come in, uploaded on a YouTube channel. Mexico, a metallic flying saucer in broad daylight captured. We're sharing it with you right now. Take a look. I want to get your thoughts. All right, so we have the source's permission to share it with you right now. This video coming in from Mexico. Apparently, it was captured December 12th, 2019, just before 2020. And Jorge Herrera Nunez has given us permission to share this, and I want to get your thoughts. What do you think it is? We're looking at it right now. I'm getting a close-up. Unfortunately, not everybody's prepared when they see something like this. He didn't have a tripod on him, any kind of steady cam, but he does seem nervous. You can see he's trying to film whatever this metallic object suspended in air is. Brent, I want to get your thoughts. What's going on the video here? What's this in the sky? Is this too good to be true?
Definitely no CGI going. Whatever we're looking at, it's there. I like the way Jorge pulled off on the side of the road. Seems like it's a little tight little area, and he's getting the shot. It's a great shot of whatever it is. It looks like a flying saucer, your classic one, but is it that? We're not quite sure. I want to get more info on exactly where this took place. Puebla, Mexico is a hot spot for UFOs, but do they have balloon shows in that area? Could this be a large balloon? If not, what we're looking at is some of the best UFO footage I've seen in 2020.
Whatever Jorge captured, I'm glad he captured it, and he actually managed to capture this for about 3 minutes. So we're going to be supplying the original link to Jorge's YouTube channel. want to get your thoughts. What do you think Jorge captured in Puebla, Mexico? He just uploaded it January 3rd, 2020. We're happy to share it with you. Leave your comments below. Now, let's get to the mystery right here in our backyard. So I was on location with my brother Brent, and we were in search of a mysterious footprints from a mysterious lost Hawaiian colony that was affected by a major eruption hundreds, maybe thousands of years ago. This has happened many times, but there is a mystery of who these people were, and we were about to find out some of the remnants of their past in a remarkable way on the Volcano scape. Pretty much in the middle of nowhere. It's baffling. Brent, what's your thoughts here?
Yeah, it was a cool hike. It was a little overcast. It felt like there's even going to be a little thunder and rain in this area. This is a place that is rarely traversed, and it's kind of off the beaten path. But what we found were hundreds and hundreds of feet that were hidden underneath the sand here, right off the scape of the crater Halemaumau, where the explosion happened just last year.
You could feel almost the energy, the people that were affected by this natural event of destruction.
Yeah, these are obviously hundreds, if not a couple hundred years old. The story is there was an explosion of the volcano, and they traversed the hot ash that fell to the ground and left these impressions that ended up being like concrete.
And you can see how massive the Hawaiians were. I wanted to compare sizes, and you can see the huge Hawaiian feet comparatively to a mere, average man. And then children were affected as well. We have side-by-side comparisons. Imagine being blanketed by tons of ash, if not millions of cubic tons of ash dispersed down on you, and you would have to traverse through this. And now we have the remains of this history embedded in the lava rock. It's incredible to even behold and imagine.
Yeah, we found a handful of these footprints, and apparently there's hundreds of these that lay to the scape of all this lava field, this barren lava field. It's a sight to behold.
I want to thank everybody for joining us right here at Third Phase Moon. We've got more videos coming up in 2020. I think it's going to be exciting. We've got the archive building up real fast, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when we upload and go live. Keep your eyes on the skies, everybody. We'll see you again next time.